This, I'm going to show you how to start my car and what it sounds like. Cause see, there it is. And I can get both back tires to spin, and it is actually quite awesome. Turn on my radio. Turn that on. So now it's synced. Pop the controller all the way out. You ready? Now I'm going to stop one tire and listen. Now that's both tires going. The tires I'm using, this one right here, the two front ones, are hammers from the original Axial Scorpion, and the rear tires came off of the original Bigfoot. The back tires came off the original Bigfoot. I'm using electronics from the Stampede, and just about everything's mixture. I call this car Frankenstein. The motor came out of a drill, came out of one of the power drills. The fins came out of one of my rally cars, and the shock towers came out of an like a $20 RC buggy. It's a New Bright buggy. They work great on here along with the shocks, as you can tell. Alright, now I'm going to pull it out and show you guys how it runs. Dang, that motor's hot. Right now I'm barely any throttle. Right now my car has the jitters because I'm still working out all the bugs in it. Right now it's stuck, so I'm going to give it a little help at full power. Ta-da! I have like no reverse on this thing, so I gotta kind of be careful. Yeah, a couple of my friends are lighting off fireworks already. See that right there? I'm gonna run it right through. See, no problem whatsoever. Except for me trying to back up. Now I have that right there on the tire, keeping it from, as you can tell, splashing. I'm going to come over here, try to reverse it. Whob! And now I'm going to shut it off for the night.